Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? This time, my brother, the Dogecoin price will completely starting increasing now, and definitely we will predicate this coin to in August what they do and what we need to do, my brother. So let's get started the brand video. Kindly holder, if you are new my channel, so click subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So in last 1 month, my brother, you can see here minus 16.66%. They are lost now in July, my brother, especially as you can see here they were fails down in the start of month to the July 20, but after that, my brother, every coin will moving in upward direction. So this coin is also, my friend, starting going the moon now. Dogecoin, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my brothers. The CEO of Dogecoin says this to upcoming time. There is a chances to we will collaborate with a lot of companies now. So absolutely, my brother, if they were starting collaboration with companies, so I am 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time Dogecoin price will be increasing now, and definitely, my friend, this price will be increasing because a holder are stop selling and definitely they are starting investing now, so they will moving in upward action. Definitely, especially short-term investors, they are starting selling in those days in the start of month, so therefore the coin will fails down. But if my friend you are hold, so I hope they will moving in upward action, they cannot fails down. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a short time, so I think this coin is not for you, my brother, kindly. But if you invest for a long time, so I think this is one of the good option, my brother. So thank you so much, my friends, Dogecoin holder. Please remember to upcoming time the Dogecoin price is 100%, I am sure, my brothers, to price will be increasing now. But just in all the, my friends, just need to you hold it now. But if you starting selling, so definitely they cannot give you a profit. So kindly, my friends, don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time Dogecoin will give you a very good profits now. So why you miss this chance? Don't miss like video and subscribe channel for more this type informative videos. Please, if you are new my channel, like and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos.